Fifth grade into math, lesson 14.4, part 2 on your own. Number 14. When Harvey was 10 years old, he was 48 and 5/10 inches tall. By age 20, he had grown another 21 and 7/500 inches. Was Harvey at least 6 feet tall by the age of 20? Explain. So he was this at 10, and then he grew this much more, and then we're going to have to convert that once we get our answer to feet, right? So first of all, I'm going to have to add what? 48 and 5/10 plus 21 and 7/500. Put a 0 up here to hold my spot. Keep everything in line with that decimal. Put the decimal straight down. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 5 is, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is, carry the 1. And then 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So how many inches are in a foot? So this would have been inches. So 6 times 12 is what? 72. So was he at least 6 feet tall by 20? So no. So no, because 6 feet equals 72 inches, and he was only 70 and 2/500 inches tall. All right, number 15, attention precision. Rayla adds 57 and 2 tenths, 38 and 3/500, and 49 and 1900. Which place values require regrouping? So let's go ahead and line them up. So 57 and 2 tenths plus 38 and 3/500 and 46 and 1900. And then we put a 0 here to hold our spot, right? Okay, what do I do first? Bring down the decimals, start adding in the hundredth spot. So, what do I do? So 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is, or plus 1 is 7, right? Okay, so I regrouped in the 100th spot, right? Did I in the 10th spot? No. Okay, 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 6 is 21, right? So put the 1, carry the 2. So I did in the 10th spot, or not the 10th spot, the 1 spot. So 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 3 is, plus 4 is, carry the 1, and then bring down the 1. And then I also did in the tens spot, right? Not with a THS though, right? Just an S. All right, so what digit should be in the 10th place of Layla's sum? So what's in the 10th place? 7. What digit should be in the ones place? 1. Okay, so number 16, we're going to add 67 and 5/10 plus 38 and 2/10. Keep my decimals in line. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is, so 105 and 7/10. 24 and 6/500 plus 56 and 7/10. What do I do to hold my spot? The 0. Bring down my decimal. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 7 is, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 6 is, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is, so 81 and 3/500. Number 18, 237 and 9/200 plus 825 and 5/100. So I keep everything in line using a decimal, right? Bring my decimal straight down. 2 plus 1 is
3.
9 plus 5 is
14.
carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 5 is
13.
13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 2 plus 8 is. So my answer is okay. Number 19, model is mathematics. Jason measures the mass of a rock. The mass of the rock is the same as the combined mass of a 1 and 2,500 kilogram weight and a 2 and 5/10 kilogram weight. What is the mass of the rock? Write an equation to follow the problem. So we're going to do what? 1 and 2,500 kilogram plus 2 and 5/10 kilogram, right? Equals. So let's work that out. So 1 and 2,500 plus 2 and 5/10. What do I do to hold my spot? Put a 0. Bring my decimal straight down to start. Then I work hundredths to the left, right? So 5 plus 0 is 2 plus 5 is 1 plus 2 is. My answer is 3 and 7,500 kilograms. Number 20. Rita wants to explain to her friend how to add 13 and 6/10 plus 5 and 9,500. What should Rita say? So let's just go ahead and show our work and we'll talk it out. And then that's what you would say to Rita, right? Okay, so we would start by adding 13 and 6/10 plus 5 and 9,500. You need to make sure you keep what in line? The decimals to help you hold your place values, right? Okay, then what do you need to help hold your place value since you don't have as many in the first one? A 0. Okay, then you do what first? Bring your decimal straight down, and then you start working in the hundredth spot, and then you move to the tenths, and then the ones, and then the tenths. Okay, so 0 plus 5 is 5. 9 plus 6 is the 5. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is 9. And then bring down the 1. So then you get an answer of 19 and 5,500. So technically we should have written that out in words, but we just discussed it, right? Okay. All right.